Yes, if your beans still taste like boarding school memories, come, let's save you today. Hi guys, welcome to Life and Spice with Gifts. Today we'll be showing you how to cook. I know you've tasted jollof rice before, but have you met her underrated cousin, jollof but beans? Okay, so let's go and see how interesting this will be. So I use hot water to wash my beans to remove chemicals from pesticides and all. Okay, so my beans is well washed and I'm placing it in the pot and setting the pot on the fire. So we'll cook the beans, leave it on the fire to cook until it is very soft without adding anything at all. We'll leave it on the fire to cook until it's soft without adding any ingredients. So next we are going to fry our oil. Then you add a little salt and you add your fresh pepper, of course, and your onion. I use blended onions because I don't like seeing onions in my food, but if you prefer, if you like onions in your food, you can just slice or dice your onions or chop it, whatever, but I blend my onions. And next I'm now adding my tin tomato, which is responsible for that name jollof. So the tin tomato, and then next we are adding our fish, smoked fish. Mix everything up and then we'll turn it right into our pot of beans that is already soft. Add our seasoning. And it's as simple as that, just simple as that. Your jollof beans is right there. Guys, these beans taste amazing. You need to give it a try. If you cook your beans this way, I'm telling you, you will not ever want to cook your beans any other way, trust me. And so, yeah, you can eat this with your plantain, your yam, even your white rice. It goes very well, okay? Thank you guys for watching till the end of this video. Please do well to hit the subscribe button. That is if you have not. Turn on your notification bell and see you in our next video. Let us know in the comment section what you'll be using to try this meal. Bye for now.